picture me walking into the thrift store and I see this hot mess thing on the shelf and I'm like, oh, what do I do with this? It reminds me of like the nappy 80s nest hair that we would do. I claim it by myself, but hey, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here, back with another trasher makeover for you. Using this Prim tote that I found at the thrift store. It's got this stuff mashed into the top, stapled in, a candle there that you can plug in. I don't even know if that works for sure, but I do know that I want to make this my own. And I'm going to take it apart, add some little toning down, I guess, and make it more simple, make it for my own home story. As always, I'm here to just encourage you to take what you currently own, amp it up a bit or tone it down. What you find at Curb Le Chic, I like to call it, off the curb or the thrift store, wherever. Just the idea is to have fun and not be afraid to give this a try. All right, let's have at this. Oh, what a hot mess that was to getting that apart. I don't know why, but they used like 2-inch brad nails and like 1.5-inch staples, totally unnecessary. But putting this back together, and then I'm going to take just a touch of wood putty, wood filler, fill that in there, sand it down, and then give it a couple coats of a seconds paint that I have. You know me, I like my seconds paint. I don't like to spend the big bucks if I don't have to, but you know, also just why not? Why not use up that paint that somebody may pitch eventually? So giving this a whole new look. After 2 coats of paint, I want to add just a simple, natural looking touch with some jute tassels with a little wood bead. I simply take a piece of cardboard, just guesstimate the size, and actually I'm really practiced with this because I like to make dolls and things like that for my girls and my kids. And So just wrap this around 20 times. And then I'm going to cut the length that I want the tassel to hang at. So you can adjust that, cut it a little longer so you have length to work with. But you stick it through there at one end and tie it off with a double knot to cinch it. That's making the top of the tassel. Then once you have that knot done, you snip the bottom, and then you're going to tie off to make what I call the head of the tassel. Just about a ½ inch below the top knot you just tied, you're going to make that little rounded spot so that the tassel can be gathered. And I'm threading the bead on to drop that down. You could use anything you want there or just leave it plain, twine, jute, and that's my dog's brush. I use that to just fray the ends and kind of fluff it up a bit to give it a little bit more body. I fray it, trim it off, and then we're good to go. Now my Thrifted Prim Tote is ready to go. I'm staging it in my kitchen with my oil and vinegar and essentials, but you could use this in the bathroom for your daily grind. Store your remote, stick it in the bedroom with some books in it. Literally, the idea is you can just go crazy with this, and that's why I love doing this. I hope this inspires you. I encourage you to find this in my shop, and also come visit me at my blog, prodigalpieces.com. Sign up for my free email newsletter. Bye.